Welcome back, guys. Again, we are going to solve the problem of weekly contest 493, and we can see that problem first and problem second is same. Count commas in range and count commas in range. Okay, so let's see first problem, then we'll solve the second problem. What they are saying in first problem? We have given number n, so we need to find number of commas between 1 to n, right? So where we are inserting comma after every three digit from right. Okay. Now we have given 1002. We are getting 3 comma. How we are getting 3 comma? Till 999 we are not able to get any commas. Okay. When we are getting thousands, after 30 we are putting 1 comma. Again 1001 we are putting 1 comma, and 1000 we are putting 1 comma. Right? This one is 998. Actually, we are not able to put any zero here because at least our length of number should be 4 length. Then after 3 digit, we can put 1 comma. Okay. So our constraints is 10 to the power 5. Okay. Let's see how we can. We know that till 999, we are not able to put any commas. When 1000 will come, we will able to put 1 comma. 1001 will come. So we'll able to put 1 commas, right? 1002 will come. And 10 to the power 5 means 3. We are not able to put second comma here. Okay. So if any value will come, what we will return? For example, n is coming. So we need to check n greater than equal to 1000. Then we are able to put comma. How many comma we will able to put? If number is, for example, 1005 is there. How many comma we can put? If 1001, here you can see it. Okay, let's continue with this one. Here 1 comma, here 1 comma, and here 1 comma. So how many comma is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1005 is there, so 6. Now you can understand the pattern here. Or second comma, till 10 to the power 5, we are not able to get second comma. So our simple logic will be, if n greater than equal to 1000, we will return n minus 1000 plus 1. Okay. If number greater than equal to 1000, okay, right, what we will return? Return n minus 1000 plus 1. Okay. We can write it as 999. Okay. Otherwise, what we will return? Return 0. Now run the code. Okay. Now it's working fine. Let's submit the code. Okay. It's working fine. Good. Now this is the count commas in range 2. Let's see what this problem want to say. Problem is same, but they are given constraints is 10 to the power 15. Okay. So how we can approach this problem? Let's see and try to understand. If we have given any number greater than 1000, if we have given any number like 10 to the power 15, what about this comma? It will come. It will come every number, like if any number take 10000000, still this comma is appearing. 10 to the power, any number will come after 3, it will come. So we will do same thing till 10 to the power 15. Okay. How we'll do? Let's check. If a number is greater than equal to 1000, so what we'll do? N minus 1000 plus 1. Okay. This will come if number will be greater than 10 to the power 6. When this comma will appear? we have computed contribution of this comma from all the number. Like number is greater than 1000, this comma will appear in every number. So we are counting this comma from, for example, we have given n is equal to 10 to the power 5. We are counting all the comma from 10 to the power 15. Take 10 to the power 15, 10 to the power 15 to 1000. Okay, or we are adding into this answer, right? If 10 to the power 6 is coming, then we are putting the second comma. Now this second comma comes into the picture. So number greater than 10 to the power 6. So now we need to add contribution of this. Whatever number is there, 10 to the power 15 example. Okay. So n minus 10 to the power 6 plus 1. Right. Till 99999, we won't be able to put this comma, second comma. So till 99999, there is no another comma. So we won't add another comma contribution. When number start or number is greater than 10 to the power 6, so we need to compute the contribution of this comma. Okay, let's write the code. We will take long answer is equal to 0, and we'll take value as a take long value we are taking 1000. Okay, we can put if else loop, if else condition, but let's take while loop. While number greater than is equal to our current value, so what we will do, we'll add answer plus is equal to n minus value and plus 1, I think. Okay, plus 1. Okay, we are putting in last we have checked n minus 1000 plus 1 here also, and because in 1000 we are adding 1 comma or likewise. Okay, so that's why we'll add 1. Now we need to increase the value. How much we need to increase? We need to multiply 1000, because next number should be 10 to the power 6. Likewise, or finally we need to return the answer. I think it should give the correct answer. Let's check. Okay, simple test case is getting passed. Oh, no, it's working fine. As you can see that how simple this logic is. Just you need to understand and you need to write the code. Okay, thank you. We'll see you in the next video.